Hello everyone, so we're going to be doing the SanDisk Extreme Portable SSD. This one here, my thing is open, but it's actually a brand new one. I don't know what happened, but it's 500GB one. And I bought this thing on eBay. It says rugged, water resistance, but you don't want this thing to get exposed to water. I wouldn't trust it. And it has NVMe or M.2 storage in here. Box content. We get a menu, storage device, and cable. Still more faster. USB Type-C, Windows 10, Windows 8.1, but it will work with Windows 11 because I tested it. The other one I had, but that's not brand new one. So let's get opening it. Oh, what we get? First, we get this. I don't know if it's this way, but first we get the storage device. So let's put it on. Next, we get an instruction manual that tells you how to do it, but no one reads them these days, but always still they put it. Then we get a cable. Oh, sorry about that. $500GB one. I have the other one. Other one is 1 terabyte. This one is very nice. So please like, comment, and subscribe.